Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to build a website with Duda. Duda is a website builder that is perfect for beginners or intermediate, as it is a drag and drop website builder, and you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto duda.co, and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, all I want you to do is simply go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can select from any one of their templates. You can choose to either create a standalone landing page, or if you'd like to create an e-commerce website, or a portfolio, or a resume website, or even a blog, you can do that using Duda. Now let's say for example we would like to create a blog. You can simply tap on blog from the left hand menu option. Then from there you can see different blog templates that you can choose from. All you'll need to do is scroll down until you find a template of your liking. You can select from there, as there are numerous templates that you can choose from. Let's say for example I were to select this one. All I would need to do is tap on start building. Then from here I can enter the name of my site. So for example I'll call it test. Then tap on start building. After you have tapped on start building, you are going to give it a few seconds while the website loads up. And you can see right here, this is a preview of how the website looks. Now to start editing it, all you'll need to do is tap on the section that you would like to change. So for example, if I would like to edit the text right here, I can simply tap on the text, and from there I could change it to whatever I want. So for example, I could type out simple answers just for example's sake. After doing that, if it is a case that you would like to make the text clickable, you can simply select the text. Then you could tap on the link icon, and from here you can either choose to paste in a link of an external website, or you could add in an email address that you'd like to redirect persons to, or a file they can download. You can also edit the button by simply tapping on the button. From there you can edit the shape of the button, and you can also edit the size, as you can see from the right hand menu option right here. With Duda, as I was saying earlier, it is definitely beginner friendly and easy to use. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to change anything or add a section, you can simply tap on any section, then tap on add section. From here you can choose to either add an empty section, or you could tap on design. After tapping on design, you'll realize that you have different section options pop up on the left hand menu option right here. So you can add an about us, you can add a title, or you can add a box right here. As you can see, you can also add your address or location. There are numerous options that you can add to your section. It is quite beginner friendly and easy to use, and you can continue scrolling down and editing. And by the way, to view all the pages on your website, you can go over to the left hand menu option and tap on pages. After you have tapped on pages, you are going to see all the current pages that you have. For example, if I were to tap on the marble page, it will redirect me to the marble page, as you can see right here. And you can also add pop-ups by tapping on pop-ups. You can tap on new pop-up, and from here you can select a pop-up that you would like to use. As you can see, there are different options that you can choose from. And if it is a case that you'd like to add a page, you could tap on add page. Then from there you can choose to either add a blank page, a design page, a dynamic page, or you can use navigation folder or page URL. So you can see that there are numerous editing options when it comes onto Duda. It kind of reminds me of Wix website builder with the usability and also a lot of the features that it has. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on widgets, from here you can see different widgets that you can use. So for example, if you would like to add a click to call button, you can do that. If you would like to add Google Map, you can do that, or contact form, you can also do that. You can see the different features right here. You can add a breadcrumbs, or you can add image slider, or so on. And if we were to tap on content, you can see the different content options. So you can tap on it, for example, the business info, and from here you could edit your business info. So this is also a good platform to create a website for your business. And if we were to tap on sell online, if it is a case that you would like to add an e-commerce page or an e-commerce section to your website, you can do that by tapping on get started right here. You can also add membership by tapping on membership. You'll be able to create a membership website. You can also add a blog if you didn't have blog already. By tapping on blog, you could tap on new post, and from here you could create a blog, as you can see right there. So there are numerous editing options. You can also tap on theme, and if you would like to change the theme, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and at the moment this is how our website looks. If you would like to publish it, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner right here. After tapping on publish, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you're going to be provided with a free domain name on which you can edit this domain name if you want. After you're finished, you're going to tap on save. If it is a case that you like to purchase a domain name, you can do that. So once we have saved it, you can see right there that our website is now live. So if I were to tap on it, you can see our website right here. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.